Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing, Maths of Playgroup. Dear students, today we are going to learn about the big and small concept. Look, this is hen. ये क्या है? ये एक मुर्गी है. And this size is big. Other side, this is a chick. And this size is small. तो हम कह सकते हैं hen is big and chick is small. Look at this. This is watermelon and watermelon is big. Other side, this is tomato and tomato is too small. तो हम कह सकते हैं watermelon बड़ा है और टमाटर छोटा सा है. Here is a lion and lion is big. This is cat and cat is small. This is a big tree and this is plant. Here is a plant. The plant is small. Tree is big and plant is small. Dear students, today we are learning about the big and small concept.